Today we will search how to buy shares of Coronado Global Resources Inc. Coronado is an Australian thermal coal producer listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker CRN.ASX. This short guide is educational only and not financial advice. You will need a brokerage account to buy shares, and we use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, which typically requires a government ID document, and then add funds to your balance to proceed. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker CRN.ASX to locate the correct listing. Confirm you have selected Coronado Global Resources Inc. and not a similarly named security. On the asset page, check the company summary and the price chart to understand recent trading activity. Verify the issuer information and ticker to ensure this is the correct Coronado listing before proceeding. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be scheduled for the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, and you can track it there. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.